Hello friends, welcome to Nidhi's Creative Zone. How are you all? Today I am going to share with you recipe of instant jalebi that you can make easily at home with very few ingredients. Jalebi is an Indian sweet dish that is crunchy from outside and juicy from inside. So without any further ado, let's start the preparation. Take a mixing bowl, add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida, half tablespoon of rice flour. If you don't want to add it, leave it, but it makes the jalebis crunchy. 1 tablespoon of sour yogurt or dahi, this is plain yogurt. Pinch of orange food color. If you don't have food color, you can add turmeric in place of this. And now give it a quick mix. After that, gradually add the water and make a lump free batter. Do not add the water at once, slowly add the water and prepare semi thick batter, and it needs to be in the flowing consistency as I am showing you here. Now the batter is perfectly ready. Cover it and set it aside for about 5 to 6 minutes. In between, we will prepare the sugar syrup. For sugar syrup, here I have taken 1 cup of granulated sugar, half cup of water, and now cook it on a medium to low flame until the sugar melts. Once the sugar melts, heat is on low flame and add few strands of saffron. If you don't have saffron, you can add slight amount of turmeric to give it a color, or if you don't want any color, just totally skip it. Add half teaspoon of crushed cardamom powder and now cook it on low flame about 5 to 6 minutes or until it became slightly sticky. After 6 minutes, as you have seen, the sugar syrup is almost ready. I'll show you. It starts sticking, that means the syrup is ready. We don't want more to cook, so switch off the gas and set it aside. Now we'll check the batter for the jalebis. It's almost 6 to 7 minutes. The batter is ready. The consistency is semi thick. We are looking for this type of consistency. Give it a quick mix. Now add baking soda. Here we are going to add only pinch of baking soda. After that, give it a quick mix for about a minute. It will help to rise the jalebis properly. Don't add more, otherwise when you are frying it, it absorbs more oil. For making jalebis, you can use this type of sauce bottle or this type of piping bag for decorating cakes, or you can use any plastic bag and fill this batter and check how flowy it is. We need like that type of consistency for the batter to make jalebis. Close the lid and set this bottle aside. For frying the jalebis, take any flat kadhai or pan, add some oil in it and make sure the heat is on medium flame and the oil is medium hot, and now start making the jalebis round and round as I am showing you here. Might be you didn't get the perfect shape, but the taste is perfectly good when you are properly frying it. Make sure the heat is on medium flame when you are making the jalebis, and you have seen as I am finishing the jalebis, it's properly pop up, so that means the oil is perfectly hot. After making it, fry the jalebis on low medium flame. After couple of minutes, flip it to the other side and you have seen it starts popping up. Once the jalebis are fried properly from all the sides, remove jalebis in a plate. You can directly dip it in the sugar syrup, but for the purpose of video, I am first removing it in a plate. It will take about 2 to 3 minutes to fry the jalebis. Now dip the jalebis one by one in the sugar syrup. Make sure the sugar syrup is hot, and now dip it for about 30 to 40 seconds, and after 30 to 40 seconds, quickly remove the jalebis from the sugar syrup in the plate. Otherwise, the jalebis became soggy. You have seen how yummy and delicious these jalebis are. Remove all the jalebis in the separate plate, and this is how it looks like. Now for the second batch of jalebi, do the same thing. Heat is on medium flame while making the jalebis. After that, heat is on low to medium flame while frying it after making it. And here is a quick tip. If you are making the jalebis in a large quantity, then add small amount of baking soda in the amount that you are using at a time. It will help the jalebis to cook properly. And now remove the second batch, and you have seen how properly it is popped up. This is how perfect each and every jalebi. I am showing you the closer view. See how properly it is cooked. This is perfect. Now same way, dip these in the sugar syrup and about couple of seconds remove it, and these are our lovely juicy crispy crunchy jalebis are ready. I have decorated it with some pistachios. It is optional, and this recipe serves 4 people easily. And now I will show you the crunch of these jalebis, and you have seen how juicy it is from inside. And you have noticed how crunchy it is. And if you like this recipe of instant jalebi, then share it with your friends and family, and do like and comment in the comment section below. Thank you. Thanks for watching.